Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be drawing a bunny, which is quite simple, and you see I already did this sketch. So let's begin with the color. So let's make our second layer, and let's have this first color. I already made the colors up. See? Wait. Okay. So let's draw a little circle. And a shaped circle. And yeah. You see now it's facing that way. So that's why I did it. Yeah, you will see. And that's our third layer, I mean. Put it behind it. The second layer. And let's get this color. Yeah. Put it on top. Oops. I have to mix it because you see, you think it's like actually closed, but it's another layer. Put on color drop. And let's get this other color. And there. Let's get this color. And make another layer. Yeah. Put it on top of it. And close it and do like that. So we're doing the ear and the face. Let's make those layer. Let's mix the ears and put another layer. And let's do the body, color of the body. Let's get, this color. That's good. And I'll make sure to zoom in nicely. Straight line. And, just follow the sketch you did. And over here. And now leave the tail for a second because we have to make it like that. And now we're doing a color drop, remember, yeah? We're doing a color drop. So it will look kind of weird if you do like this because the color drop is going to also cover that. So let's do a darker color. That one. And make it like that. Oh, that's good. So get the same color that you got for the body. And that's great. Okay, now we're doing the tail. Get another layer. The tail is really tricky. No, actually it's not tricky, just it's kind of hard to say. Make a circle. Color drop. Now that's not it. You see all of that? It needs a face. So I said, let's take the face out. Yeah. And you see now I can see the sketch. Make another layer and black. So now copy the exact same thing you did with the sketch. color drop. Yeah, that was great. And mix those two layers. And now let's add another layer. Oh yeah, let's get this color. Yeah, let's do the exact same thing we did. And the nose squeeze. Now I did it in an angle because it's looking exact side. And there. Oh yeah. On. Oops. Something looks weird. The tail looks kind of weird. So let's actually... Oh yeah, let's get Pachi. And get the same color. Into like that. And now, we don't want it the same color as the face. It will just look weird. So let's go to the eyes. Color drop, color drop, color drop, color drop. Yeah. And then there you go. There's your bunny.
Please like and subscribe.